Hey guys, welcome back to Broken Bird. If you're new to the channel, please smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification so you never miss another video.
Comment down below if you want a shout out in one of our next videos.
So we're making our slime
This is
again.
part 2, and I've added my Model Magic.
Yep, and I have to, but it's really like I'm gonna add more shaving cream because this is like super hard.
It doesn't even feel like she's used Model Magic.
Yeah, I have.
No, put it in the slime.
Yeah, I did.
It doesn't feel like it. It feels more like a slime.
And
Then
I'm gonna
Model
jump
Magic
in slime, so
but
have
it doesn't.
fun. I'm gonna feel it. Oh, that's so cool.
But it feels nice. And we will be making our slime. This one doesn't feel good.
I need on my pack. Where's my pack?
This
Oh,
is my
it's-
slime.
Oh, wait, we're still on camera? I forgot that.
You did?
Yeah.
Well, it's right there in front of me.
Oh, sorry. It's just a supposed YouTuber thing, even though she doesn't have her own channel. What?
I just don't upload.
Time for breakfast.
It's very healthy. It's Dunkin' Donuts.
Yes, it's some munchkins.
So I'm going to be using this
I ate
color
all the
pink.
butternut if
It's
anybody
pink.
likes them. I ate all of them.
Oh, yeah. I don't really care for them.
We are
Sorry.
watching Nailed It.
Sorry for anybody that likes butternut. I just don't eat them much.
Excuse me.
You're going to wait for
We're watching Nailed It, if you don't know. If
Yeah,
you
you already mentioned that. I should probably grab my color.
Probably should, yeah. This is how I'm gonna end the video.
No,
I was actually going to, I just want to do that.
we can do it at the end. Not
Oh yeah! I need to paint it. I just gotta paint. I'm making it blue.
So it has this white in it, but it has what?
I grabbed.
It also has,
Oh wait, I was gonna do
if you
pink.
can't see, a marble.
I'm doing dope pink. No, I'm gonna do maroon. Wait, that's not maroon.
That's brown.
Yeah. I do have a maroon.
Okay,
though.
so I need lots of pink. I just added more pink.
Yes, I'm in Christmas pajamas. Don't judge me.
Is that a problem with that?
No.
People watching it online?
No. At least I don't think so.
They shouldn't.
Okay,
I mean, this paint kind of smells good, but also kind of smells bad.
I'm
No,
gonna make
not
some.
putting it on. It's literally kind of.
Well, now I'm making light pink. I was gonna make dark pink, right? Then you took my thing. I really need to bite this.
Why do you need a bite?
I know.
Don't bite it. Put your tongue in it.
There we go. Got it. I need it in my hands.
More fun. Just, your dad's gonna make you guys some eggs. You
Video
guys like,
so
okay, you guys like eggs? Yeah?
Yes! I don't actually like
Yeah, he's gonna make it a little bit later. You guys eat all the donuts or any left?
Okay, Mom. Well, you're on the YouTube.
That's alright.
Angel, you haven't talked like this whole video.
So my one's as light as pink. Now, no offense.
Seriously! I'm trying to make a. Don't think you steal that. Trying to make a light pink, now you steal that.
I'm gonna add some blue.
You better. Put it on.
Just to make you happy. And make it like a purple color, which I really like.
I make
So I'm gonna have more blue fingers.
We can tell our differences. I barely have any paint in this. You can barely see that. Well, you can see, but it's not much. It's still like really white, but it's a little bit of pink. So I'm gonna add a lot. Can you talk? No?
That's just
I think Angel lost
so
her.
this is my
circumstance.
slime. I had to add blue just for broken.
Are you doing well?
I said something.
Are you talking to me?
Brooklyn, I think we should go outside and trampoline.
Yeah, I was thinking of it this morning once we finished the video.
And get dressed. I need to get dressed.
Let's just Angel paint your slime quickly because I think we're almost out of time. No, we are. I'm sorry.
And we can make part 3 if we need to.
I'm making
So, I think this is going to be my final product. I don't really care to mix it in much, but it looks
why can't I get so much?
really
I was gonna
nice.
make
And you
a
can
red
see all the
slime, but then I
streaks.
changed it
So this is the unicorn poo.
because I thought it would be more.
This is my unicorn poo.
Oh, yours is purple now.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my purple.
So there's pink and blue together.
Yeah. And she got the purple that I have. The
No,
exact
yours is
same
dark.
like color. Oh, it's really unicorny.
Yeah. Unicorn poo.
I don't like unicorns.
You're weird. What if they were unicorns?
And I would love them.
See?
It's on my hood.
What if it was an alicorn?
I would love it. Mine's light pink, guys. I totally didn't get slime on the carpet. Light pink. It is not sticky at all because of the model magic. I'm taking over this video, guys. This is my new video.
This one is better than my
No,
other
this is just me, Desiree. I'm joking.
This slime is better than my other slime because it's not sticky. So I'm going to add some more contact solution to the other slime off camera. Okay? And I'm going to...
That was supposed to be red. It's like pink.
Maybe you shouldn't add that.
Mine's like basically white, so I'm gonna add a little more.
The colors off my plate keep mixing into my slime.
Ooh, I need to put it on the plate. Ah! I don't want to get on the table.
Urkel, we're going to be able to tell the differences of our slime.
Yeah, definitely.
Yours is darker, mine is a lighter purple.
Yeah, mine's pink.
No. Your other slime.
Oh, okay.
And this one is bigger than the other slime.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, I made it a little bit darker, and I think I'm gonna add another color to it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add some red to it because Angel just gave it to me. So I don't know.
Ella, no. Ella, no.
Oh, I put way too much red.
Ella, I said no, I said no, I said no. I said no. You guys almost done with the video?
Almost. I'm just adding some red because I'm gonna have a red slime now because I put way too much pink in it. I put red slime.
Ella, no.
She literally got it open.
Cool.
The container.
Well, it's not dog food.
Okay, so mine's like pinkish, reddish.
Mine's purple.
I'm gonna add a little more red.
And I mixed it in so it doesn't have any more of it.
Okay, so this is how we're gonna end the video with our slimes. Okay, Desi, show them your slime. Yes. And then Angel, go show them your slime. And my slime.
Don't forget my hands.
This is how we are going to end the video. Love you guys. See you later. And shout out to Maddie Cox.
And see you later. Okay, I need to